everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Doing a little 3D print documentary on how I'm going to try to make my life work just being a solo 3D printer entrepreneur, of course. It's a very exciting time. I'm trying to really push all my sales, all my knowledge, all my engineering skills towards making this work. If not, I do have secondary and tertiary plans, but for right now, I really want this 3D company to kick off, and that's what this documentary is supposed to be. It's all supposed to be about, am I going to make it? Am I going to be able to afford this home with this 3D printing company? And hopefully I'm going to. So sit back, relax, and let's just see what happens to good old Craig here in CK Chrome. Have a good morning. Ran into an issue. I have metal coat hangers I have for the piece that connects these two. So I'm gonna have to go to the hardware store, see what we can find, and I'm sure we got something. You know, don't ever let people tell you, oh, we don't have that here, we don't have that here, because pal, look at this, marking snakes, marking flags, that'll go perfect. Perfect. What's going on? Welcome to a little agenda I got here. I just got 15 lights coming in. That's roughly $375, $350 profit. So, well, I mean, of assembly of products. So I can, with these 15 lights, I can assemble $375 in product. So I'm just gonna sit here and grind it out and see how long it takes me to assemble these 15 lights. All right, well, there you have it. What do we got? 2 hours. $375 in 2 hours, not too bad. So, the topic that I tried to cover today was, am I going to be able to make enough money? Is it a realistic goal to have my entrepreneurship as a 3D print farmer to elevate my dreams? And so what I found is I'll make $375 in 2 hours potentially, and that's really cranking things out. That's $175 an hour or something like that. I would never expect me to continue working like that unless I absolutely had to. But I would say it's definitely, I'm going for it, guys. I'm going to see, I'm going to try it, I'm going to do everything I can. I'm not going to try it, I'm doing it. I'm going to do everything I can to make this work. And if it doesn't work, then I lose. But I see that it's going to work, and I have the faith, man. Of course I have the faith. So let's just see what's going to get dumped on me, and I can't wait to begin expanding and making this CK Chrome an aim, man. And let's do this, baby. Yeah.